Most people know that investing is important, but when you actually stop and think about it, what is the point of investing? Why put your money at risk when you can have your money safe in a bank account? In this video, I'm going to break down exactly why investing matters, how it impacts your financial future, and why almost every successful wealth building strategy involves some form of investing. So stick around to the end, because this isn't just about money, it's about freedom and opportunities. Right now in the UK, inflation is averaging around 2 to 3% a year in the long run. That means if you have £1,000 in a savings account earning nothing, in 10 years that £1,000 will only be able to buy you £800 worth of goods. By not investing, you're guaranteed to lose money over time. So investing really isn't about getting rich quick, it's about protecting your money from losing its value. So when you invest, your money now works for you. For example, the S&P 500 has historically returned around 10% per year before inflation. If you had invested just £200 per month into the S&P 500, based on historical performance, after 30 years you'd have over £400,000, even though you've contributed about only £72,000. And that's the power of compounding. Your money earns money, and then that money earns more money. The earlier you start, the more powerful this becomes. But investing isn't just about numbers on a screen, it's about freedom. Whether that's being able to retire early, buy a home, travel the world, or simply work less, investing gives you the financial flexibility to choose how you spend your time. Think of it like this: for every pound you invest, it's almost like planting a seed. Over time, those seeds grow into trees, and eventually you'll have a whole forest working for you while you sleep. Another point people overlook about investing is ownership. Investing gives you ownership. When you buy shares in Apple, in Tesla, in Unilever, you literally own a small piece of that company. When the company grows, you benefit. When they pay dividends, that's money in your pocket. This is how the wealthy get wealthier. They don't just work for money, they make money work for them by owning assets. Now, some people say, well, I'll just save my money in cash. But saving only protects you from emergencies. It doesn't actually grow your wealth. Others think that property is the only way. Property can often be a great investment, but it usually requires a large sum of money to start. The stock market, ETFs, index funds lets you start investing on platforms such as Trading 212 for as little as just £1. If you'd like to start investing with Trading 212 and receive a free fractional share worth up to £100, all you have to do is to click the link in the description box down below. Alternatively, if you've already signed up to Trading 212 in the past 10 days but haven't received your free fractional share, all you have to do is to press the 3 horizontal line menu over here. Scroll all the way down until you see the section Use Promo Code. And in this section, just enter my code JUBAIR and you should receive a free fractional share. So unless you want to work forever, investing in some form is essential. So what is the point of investing? To protect your money from inflation, to grow your wealth through compounding, to give yourself financial freedom and choice, to build ownership and long-term security. Investing isn't about gambling or chasing quick wins. It's about building a future where money is no longer the biggest concern. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button so you know that I should make more videos like this. If you're new, consider subscribing and make sure to check out some of my other videos, and I'll see you in the next video.